Black Hat World, the free encyclopedia on making money online. Do you want to make money online but do not know the tricks of the trade? Have you heard a lot about SEO marketing but do not understand its nuances? Do you want tips on affiliate marketing and Google AdSense? Or do you wish someone could tell you how much money you can make through blogging? Do you want guidance related to site flipping? If your answer to any of the above questions is yes, then Black Hat World is the place you should be in. What is Black Hat World? Black Hat World is an online forum that has all the answers to your questions about making money online. It has hundreds and thousands of registered users who are always willing to help you in case you have any query about the various tricks of online trading, buying, selling, and advertising. The forums are easy to surf, the site simple to understand, and the threads a rich bank of information. Black Hat World offers free registration. There are no charges for signing up on Black Hat World. Features of Black Hat World: rated threads to tell you what's worth reading, a detailed FAQ section to get you started, all-time accessible moderators. What's new? Get to know what's new on the forums. A lounge area for networking and making friends.